Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's JD. Welcome back to a new Sunday, meaning new sneakers. SneakerHead Sunday is back, finally. And I'd love to say today is actually our first sponsored SneakerHead Sunday. It's the first time someone actually sent me shoes. Oh my God. I've been making sneaker videos for free for like 5 years now. Well, not really, like maybe 5 months for a while. But with that being said, I want to shout out PUMA, Footlocker, and Sonic the Hedgehog and the Sonic movie, which is coming out soon, because they supplied me with a new pair of their brand new Sonic RS-X cubed. And this is the colorway number 2. I don't know where colorway number 1 went. It got lost in the mail, but these are the Dr. Robotniks. Low-key, these ones is fire. All right, so first things first, let's check out the box. I showed this to you on my IG story the other day. You got Sonic in the front, just look at him. Just like, yo, what's up, dude? Yeah, that's me. I like Panthers. Oh, wait, Pumas? That's what I meant to say. Man, JD, you're really butchering this promo. Hey, chill out, Sonic. All right, but yeah, the side of it has got Sonic, Tails, Knuckles. If you know me, if you know me at all, you know I'm a huge fan of the Sonic franchise. I mean, I just gotta be real. Like growing up, it was Sonic all day. All right, so those are the cool things that are on the outside of the box. Now we're gonna get right into the inside of the box. I already have this kind of slightly open, so those are the sneaks. Let's take them out and let's check them out, shall we? All right. Ooh, okay. The Robotniks, the Eggmans. Sonic, hey Sonic. Sorry, I like doing voices of characters that I grew up with, so this is my Eggman. I don't know, but I like the way it looks. I like the color scheme. The color scheme is clean. You got the black with the red, and you got like, it looks like the stuff that you see whenever you go into a level with Dr. Robotnik. It has like, oh, never mind. That's the score at the end of the level. That's what that is. Oh, that's fire. I like that. I like that. That's fire. Okay. I'm liking the way that these look. I think my favorite part of it is just like how the black and the red kind of like seamlessly fade into one another. Can you tell? Can you see that? Look at that. Microphone's in the way, but do you see that? Look at that right there. It's like they fade from black to red, and it reminds me of Knuckles and also Shadow. Is this confirmation Shadow's in the movie? Cause he's black and red. Anybody know Shadow the Hedgehog is? I hope my audience understand. I like sneakers and I like video games. Let's keep focusing on the shoes, shall we, JD? Oh, by the way, when it comes to these awesome sneakers, they're doing a special project this weekend for people who are in New York. It's called the Sonic Ring Hunt, and you can go to the New York flagship Footlocker to participate, and you open up your Snapchat. You open up Snapchat, you can open up a lens where you're able to go and hunt and collect rings, and you can get special products at the Footlocker in New York. The information on where exactly it is will be listed below, because I don't remember the street names and all that stuff. But I wish I was there, because I want to do cool ring hunt stuff with Sonic. I mean, come on, man, it's Sonic. All right, so I like the way the mesh looks all around the back, the tongue, the upper, the mid. I know sneaker terms. I don't just wear them for fashion. I know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh, wait, what's that on the tongue? Okay. Ooh. Wait, what does that say? Oh, it says R, it says S, and it says X, and it has a Sonic logo. Hold on. Yeah. You see that? See that? I can hardly get this is the first shoe I've ever had where they lace them up all the way super tight from the beginning. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can try them on real quick. Let me see if I can slide my foot inside these things right now, and let me know in the comments who your favorite character from Sonic the Hedgehog is, and do you plan on seeing the movie? Because I want to see it. Speaking of which, PUMA, yo, Sonic movie, Footlocker, yo, okay, I'm trying to get on the blue carpet. I'm just saying, if I'm in town for the premiere, your boy would love to participate. I mean, I do. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of Sonic, man. I feel like I wish I had like a Sonic costume here. Hold on. Can I put, Oh. All right, I had to slide in. Here we go. I got him on one foot. Here we, oh, oh my, I'm gonna rip my pants, man. I like these pants. Hold on. There we go. Oh, move that. There. Oh, hold on. Gotta get a better shot. Here we go. Oh, that looks good. That right there looks good, y'all. You see that? Oh, Charlie horse. All right. Oh, I am a fan of these sneakers. And with that, I'd like to say that was my unboxing / review SneakerHead Sunday, coming to you fresh every other Sunday that I have time to open up a pair of sneakers on camera. The Sonic RS-X3 Dr. Robotnik edition. Shout out to Jim Carrey. Shout out to everybody who's a part of that movie. James Marsden, everybody. All right, cool. If you all enjoyed it, you know what to do. Hit that button, like, share, do all the cool things. There will be more sneaker content in the future. I don't know why I'm just waving these around all awkwardly. Let me get the thumbnail real quick. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Wait, is that it right there? Like that? Yeah, something like that. I don't know. Usually it's how you gotta do, like, this is how you get thumbnails, by the way, everybody. You do this, you screen grab, and then I need this to be in focus. Keep that in focus, okay? Or just bring it towards me. Oh no, let me get closer, bring it in focus, and then go. All right, that's enough. I need to stop clowning around. But hey, thank you so much for this sponsored video. It's my first sponsored sneaker thing. I hope I get to do this again. Oh man. All right, PUMA, thank you. Sonic the Hedgehog, thank you. Footlocker, thank you. And don't forget about the ring hunt, y'all. If you're in New York, any of my New York viewers, go today. It started this past Friday. Today is Sunday. You still got time. Go check out the ring hunt. Open it up on your Snapchat, have fun, and do that thing right there. With that being said, I will catch you on the next video of me being awkward on camera with sneakers. So till then, I appreciate you, and I'm out. Peace.
It's Tails, man. Yeah.